Hello, in this video I will explain about the optimum commodity purchase in case of perfect complements, that is the preferences are Leontief type. Uh, so perfect complements. So let us suppose that the utility function is utility of x1 x2 is minimum of x1 to x2. So price of first commodity is again 10, price of second commodity is 20, and consumer's total wealth is 1000. So in a previous video we have talked about the Leontief type of preferences, and we concluded there that in this case the tangency condition between the indifference curve and the budget line is not satisfied, so the consumer's equilibrium lies at the corner point of the right angled indifference curve. So we utilize the fact that at this corner point this is always equal to this value. So we utilize this fact x1 equals to 2x2, and we substitute this in the budget constraint, which is p1x1 plus p2x2 equals to total wealth. So in our case this is 10x1 plus 20x2 equals to 1000. So this is 10 times x1 is 2x2 from here, 2x2 plus 20x2 is 1000. So this gives us 10 to 20, 40x2, x2 is 1000 over 40, which gives us x2 equals to 50. And x1 equals, so this is sorry, this is 25, now 50, this is 25, so this is 25, so 0 cancel, for 25 that it's 25, and x1 is 2 times 25, which is 50. So therefore the optimal commodity purchase, the optimal commodity purchase of the consumer is optimal commodity purchase is x1 star, x2 star is 50, 25. So now let us simply find this optimum commodity purchases through the general formula that we derived in an earlier video. So given the utility function u equals to minimum ax1 bx2 and the budget constraint p1x1 plus p2x2 equals to w. So we had derived that the optimal quantity purchase of the first commodity is simply given by b times w over b times w over b times p1 plus a times p2. So by substituting the values, the value of v in our case is, so our utility function was minimum of x1 to x2, so value of a is 1 in our case and value of b is 2. So this is 2 times 1000 over the value of b is 2. 2 into p1 is 10 plus a is 1 and p2 is 20. So this is 2000 over 40, which is 50. So the optimal commodity purchase of the first commodity is 50, which can be derived from this formula too. Similarly, the optimal commodity purchase of the second commodity can also be derived by using this formula. So the formula is x2 equals to AW over BP1 plus AP2. So the denominator is same in both cases, only the parameter in the numerator changes. So this is the value of A is 1 times 1000 over the value of B is 2 into 10 plus A is 1 into P2 is 20. So this is 1000 over 40, which is 25. So the optimal commodity purchase of the second commodity is 25. So we can thus use these two formulas also to derive the optimal commodity purchase. Finally, let us have a look of this consumer's equilibrium in graph. So in this graph, I have plotted the utility function with utility 50. So this has been derived by putting the value of x and or y. So if we put the value of x, this is minimum 50 comma 50, which is 50. So the value of utility derived is 50. So the indifference curve is the L-shaped curve in this figure, and this is the budget line. So the consumer's equilibrium is at this point where the quantity consumption of the first commodity is 50 and the consumption of the second commodity is 25. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for watching more videos in the future.